Hey, what's going on, everybody? Chance Ghanem here, aka SharpShooter on the Swipe Trades app. I want to do this quick harmonic scanner training because this is a beautiful setup on the harmonic scanner. I want to show you guys how to look for accurate trades and yet how to stay patient on them to make sure that you can get the most accurate trades out of your harmonic scanner. So, guys, this is the harmonic scanner right here. We have AUD USD on the 4-hour, and then here's another thing to take note of, that it's better if it's on multiple hour or multiple time frames. So if you wait here, it's going to show it's on the 4-hour and the daily time frame. So you see here we have the 4-hour and the daily time frame showing that it's going to be has this butterfly pattern. So that adds strength to it. Next thing you're going to do is come over to here, and then here I already marked it up just to save time, but I just copy it over. So you just look at this. I have dual screen, so it makes my life a little easier, but you just find these points in the market and you mark them up yourself, or you can just realize that there is a buy point right here. So here's the buy point right here in this zone. Then what I do is there's a checklist you want to go through, and I got this from Manny over on the IMLtv. He's got his IMLtv room there. Sorry, my mic just fell. But he's on the IMLtv Harmonic Scanner training. So if you guys head over to Manny's room, he teaches us a lot more in depth. But I just want to show you guys real quick how I've been using it, how I've been implementing it in my trading style. So first things first, you want to check the RSI, and we're going to start on the 4-hour here. So the RSI is in the oversold, or on this buy area here. So this means you want to buy it. This is getting ready to cross, which is a very good sign. And when we turn on, let me turn on my Bollinger Bands here. These Bollinger Bands, you can see it's really, really deep in the Bollinger Band. So then when it's really deep in the Bollinger Band, that's all the signs you need. So guys, you want to see it really deep in the Bollinger Band. You want to see this really down here into the buy zone. And then seeing these getting ready to cross is another benefit. But guys, the big thing here is you want to see the divergence here. So you see right here is the lowest point. You see this has steadily been going up. Let me mark that right here. It's been steadily going up like this, and over here, this has been going, from this point right here has been actually going down. So that's divergence. That means those are when this indicator is going against it. Again, this is really well explained in Manny's session on the IMLtv harmonic scanner training. But I just want to throw this out here real quick so you guys can see. So we got divergence here, divergence here. So then next thing we're going to do is break it down to technical analysis. So then I turn everything off. All that does, all this tells me is, yes, it is a buy. It is a buy. And then, if you want, you can click down to the hourly. You can check it out. You can see here it's already on the buy side. So the buy momentum is really kicked in already on the hourly level. The RSI has already started to take off. You go down to the 30-minute, you're going to see it, the same thing. Is happening on these lower time frames that are giving you indications. See here, you can see it's already crossed. It's kind of stalling out here because it's just been massive stall out zone, which, as we know from a lot of our other trainings that we do on IMLtv, that when you see consolidation, you got to wait for that breakout retest, and then we can get our entry. So you see, here's what I'm waiting for right here, but I want to show you guys exactly how I got this and then what I'm waiting for. This blue line right here. So it's weird because AUD USD has not been at this zone since 2016. So it's been forever. So you gotta look left. You gotta look left and find that zone. So I zoom out here. I go to the daily chart. I look left, and I found this line right here. So see how we got respect, respect, respect. And when you look left here, it's got a ton of respect. So this has been a very, very active level before. Look at this, a key push down to a reversal off. And here's our TP1 and our TP2 zone that I'd be looking for. And you could see it would have been hit. You can see when it broke, retested this level, it shot down like crazy. So you can see that this level is a key level that we could reverse off of. So that's another thing we want. So on the daily level, we have a key level. It's from way back in the day, but you can find it. Then you want to hop down here to the hourly level. And the next thing that I'm looking for is this zone that I have drawn here. So this would be that support and resistance zone that I want to see price break above and retest. It looks like it's trying to break above it right now. So I found the bottom of this wick actually lined up perfect with all these wicks right here. And if you drop down to the 15-minute, you can see it even more clearly. So you can see here, got that wick touch here, break below, respect, respect, respect. So that's all good confirmation for what we're looking for. And now what we're looking for as well, the last thing is there's going to be a trend on the 15-minute chart. All right. There's always, because with a harmonic scan, it means that the pattern has played out. That means that there's a C to D leg, which means there's a downtrend somewhere on the 15-minute chart. So here's my downtrend: 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. Missed just slightly there, but pretty much a touch, and then touch here, and it's currently breaking it. So now as a trader, what I'm waiting for, we put price in a box right here, and it's in the process of breaking out of that box. So I just want to see the breakout retest on the technical side, because again, remember, our indicators, the 4-hour indicator, the daily indicators, they say buy. The Bollinger Bands, they say buy. Everything else says buy. So this is the last little step I'm waiting for, is that break retest out of my technicals on the 15-minute chart. Because the one thing that gets indicators wrong when indicators say buy is when it's just a crazy downward push, because I bet the indicator said buy right about here as well. But when it's in a crazy massive push like that, the indicators are going to get, they're not going to be as accurate. Where after consolidation like this and after a move, I do see the buy coming, but just to wait, because I always want to be extra safe for confirmation, especially with calling swipe trades. We want to make sure your money is safe. So, as well as mine. I don't want to risk my money either. So I'm going to wait for this clear breakout of this level. So I might have to wait another 30 minutes, see a couple 15-minute candlesticks, or maybe this will have 1 hour candlestick that actually didn't just wick, have 1 hour candlestick that breaks above. Then we're going to wait for that retest back down to this level. And then these are the buy zones. So we're looking for right here, 54 pips. And I got these from the first one from the harmonic scanner. So I took TP1 straight from the scanner right here. That's TP1. And then I took the second one just off of the round number 174 flat, and this ceiling right here. So you can see there has been a lot of respect around this level, and I would rather take profit right here than trying to stretch it all the way out to here and price reversing on us. So that's where I'm looking for, and this is how you guys should be using the harmonic scanner. Again, head over to the IMLtv sessions with the harmonic scanner, the harmonic scanner rooms. They are all amazing. So put some time in there and you'll learn these skills more in and out. But guys, that's how I'm doing it too. I'm on swipe trades, but I still put in my time on IMLtv because IML is loaded with such amazing educators, and with a tool like the harmonic scanner at our disposal, a robot watching the market for us every single day. The market is open, watching every single pair. Guys, if you're not taking advantage of this, you're definitely sleeping on it. So if you're a beginner, it's all good. Don't worry about this stuff right away. But once you've been with IML for a couple months or even a couple weeks, you want to start learning how to use this scanner, because this scanner is the secret to Forex. Because look at all these pairs. So this is my harmonic scanner folder. If you guys know my strategy and how I trade 3 pairs. Here are my 3 pairs that I trade every single day, because I can monitor 3 pairs every single day really easily. Now, here's what we got from the harmonic scanner. These are all different scans from the harmonic scanner that I've been trading over the past 2 weeks, just because the scanner can watch all these trades for me. So definitely take full advantage of the scanner. But when you do it, don't take it as a blind signal. You don't want to just look at the scan and be like, boom, I'm going to buy it just because. Like, if you want to, you can do that. But I would suggest definitely hopping on the IMLtv sessions, learning how to use the scanner to its fullest potential, and then use your technical analysis that you guys should be learning on our SharpShooter 101 call on the 15-minute and all the way down. Find that entry zone, because again, the scanner and all the indicators strongly suggest this is a buy. But if I got in right here, I'd be very upset. If I entered right here and I had been sitting in this trade for 13 or 14 hours, I don't know about you guys, but I'm not a fan of that. I don't like sitting in a trade just like that. So what I want to see is I want to see a clear decision in the market, which means I put price in a box like I did right here. I waited for the breakout, which it's currently trying to do. And then once I see a clear breakout retest, like I have marked right here, breakout retest, and this might be a little bigger, guys. It might be, what I really want to see is probably something more lines of at least a couple pips up here like that, and then a retest down, and then that move up, and that's when I would get in. I would get in on the retest is where I would prefer to get in personally. So again, guys, to really utilize this scanner, definitely hop on the IMLtv Harmonic Scanner sessions. Me and my team have been putting time on there, and it's only helping us really take advantage of the entire markets, because as forex traders, as human beings, we cannot watch as many pairs as a scanner can. So definitely add this to your trading style, add this to your add this to your arsenal, and it's definitely going to pay off. So with that being said, have a great morning, evening, night whenever you're watching this video, and hopefully you guys all use the harmonic scanner and catch these pips.